Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you're well. So today's card is going to be using the Amazing Life stamp set that's available in the Spring Summer catalogue, which has some wonderful typography stamps as well as cute little images that just sit so well with the sentiments. So let's move that out of the way. And the card today is super simple and super easy to replicate on using the typography stamps just to create some detail in the background. I hope you like it. So shall we get started? I've got a base of Whisper White and that's just a standard C6 size, as you can see. Put that there. And I've also got a mat of Whisper White. So as everybody who follows me regularly knows, when I do a lot of background stamping, I like to use a separate piece of Whisper White. That's just so that I know that if I mess up, I can just start again without throwing away the good stuff. So I'm bringing in that Yay stamp as well as my Smoky Slate stamp set. And I'm just going to ink that up like so, and I'm going to start in the middle, so I'm going to do Yay there, and then just on the same kind of line do it again. Okay, so you have the two tones available, so do Yay again, and then off stamp it like so on the next line. Up and then off like so. So you're just creating this gradient of colour, well, grey, and as you can see, it's gradually getting smaller and smaller as we get closer to the top. And so we can go here, go up, and then go here. So I'm not going to do another one there because we're getting quite close, but because of that's there, I'm going to do there like that, and then another one there. So there's no script to this card. You just kind of want to eyeball it the best you can, because it's supposed to be playful. You don't want it to be perfect. You want it to be fun, eye-catching. So that's there. I want another one there. Let's finish that line off. There. And then there. And then that bit there. And then I don't want that there. Just leave it like that. That'll be fine. That'll do. So as you can see, we made a super quick and simple background using one ink pad, two different ways. I love it. So I'm just going to adhere that to the card now. Like so. And then that's that bit done. And I'm going to bring in a piece of Smoky Slate so it coordinates, as well as Memento ink. And then I'm going to bring in our sentiment, which is life's too short to say no to cake. I'm sure we can all relate. Just ink that up. And how I lined it up was the E, so the bottom corner I want kind of central, and snug in that bit. And then I'm just going to bring in the cake stamp. Ink that up. And just stamp that quite close to the sentiment. So. And that's the sentiment done. We're just going to finish it off by cutting in on the ends. So in from middle, and then corner inside. Corner in. And then just with our dimensionals, stick some on the back. And then all I'm going to do is line that up with the edge of the card, like so, and I used that middle yay as a centre point as to where I'm going to stamp the sentiment, or place the sentiment. And there you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below, where a full list of items used is detailed, as well as links to my online shop. While you're there, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, as well as share to your social media so everybody can see how quick and easy it is to make such a gorgeous card. I will see you around. Bye.